Welcome to class today. We are going to talk about the prefix re. People use the prefix re in everyday language, and since we use the prefix re so often, it's important that we know where to apply the prefix to the action verb and how re changes the meaning of the action verb in the sentence. All right, let's get started. All right, what does the prefix re mean? The prefix re means to do something again. So when you enjoy playing a game and you want to play it again, you would want to replay the game. Now, how to apply the prefix re to an action verb? So first we're going to take a look at the sentence below. I want to build a sandcastle. So step one, we're going to find the action verb in the sentence. So once again, we're looking at the sentence, I want to build a sandcastle. So for instance, if someone came along and knocked down your sandcastle, then you would want to rebuild the sandcastle. So to start us off, we're going to find the action verb. Now, the action verb in this sentence is going to be build. So since build is the action verb, I'm going to underline it in blue. So now we have I want to build a sandcastle, and the action verb is build. All right, now step two, we need to apply the prefix re to the beginning of the action verb. So we have I want to build a sandcastle, and once again, build is blue, and that is our action verb. So if we're going to add the prefix re to the beginning of the action verb, then we are going to underline that in red. So now we have I want to rebuild a sandcastle. We add the prefix re, which is underlined in red, to the action verb build, which is blue. Now we're going to watch a short little clip on the prefix re and how it combines with the action verb build. Alright, so from that video, we kind of just relearned what I just taught about the action verb build and rebuild. If someone would have knocked on your castle, you would want to rebuild the sandcastle. Alright, now as a class, we're going to do both steps in one frame. So we're going to use the sentence, I want to open the door. First, we're going to find the action verb. Can anyone tell me where the action verb is in the sentence, I want to open the door? Open. Very good. And what color would we underline the action verb in? Blue. Correct. So we have, I want to open the door. And open, we underline in blue. Now for the next step, we're going to apply the prefix re. So who can tell me where they would apply the prefix re to the action verb open? Before, good. And as we see here, we have the action verb, which is underlined in blue. And then we have the prefix re, which is before the action verb. We're going to underline in red. All right, so now we're going to think about the big question. how did the prefix re change the meaning of the action verb in the sentence? So can anyone tell me how the prefix re changed the meaning of the action verb in the sentence?
It made it sound like you're doing something again.
Very good, exactly. So when we add the prefix re to the action verb, it means you're going to do the action verb again. All right, so here we have 3 sentences that we're going to have you do yourself. I have worksheets for you that I'm going to hand out. I'd like you to work on your own with these, but if you have questions, you can ask your elbow partner. I'll give you guys about a couple minutes to work on these, and then I'll come back around to collect them. All right, good job, guys. It looks like everyone is finished, so I'm going to collect your worksheets. Thank you, and I'll take a look at these. And next class period, if you have any whole class questions, I'll go over them then. So now that we're done with our worksheet and going over the prefix re, we're going to take out our iPads and we're going to play the app Bluster. Now you guys played this app before with some other, like with our suffixes that we learned before. So it's the same game, but now we're going to focus on the prefix section.